आज के हमारे शो में राम है, लीला है और उससे भी ज्यादा रस भरी मेरी दीपिका है। जी हाँ, आज का ब्रेकफास्ट टू डिनर विद दीपिका पादुकोण हम शुरू करने वाले हैं उनके घर से, जो है एक बहुत ही ऊंची हाई राइज बिल्डिंग ब्यूमॉन्ड, जो 26th फ्लोर पर रहती है दीपिका। तो ये दीपिका के हम बेसमेंट में जा रहे हैं। And we are inside Deepika's brand new car and she is so proud of it.
We just spent so much time in Bombay traveling that I think it was worth the investment.
But one thing I want to know is if Deepika, I know we are in her brand new car, what are the things you have around your gaadi always? How do you travel? Are there things that are a must in your gaadi that should be there?
I believe my car is very self-sufficient. If I get a hunger pang, which I always do, there's a box of biscuits there.
Yes, I can see. Let me show the viewers. Ye dekho. This is Deepika's box of biscuits. So sweet.
If my cleanliness disorder, then there's a packet of wipes. There's always a bottle of water. There's a little napkin here.
So well organized.
There's a little pillow there which I use, which someone gifted me this with my initials on it.
Alright.
So
nice.
I recline the seat and I go to sleep.
And what kind of music do you play in the gaadi?
There's all kinds of music here. There's right now I think there's all film music. There's different. There's Ram Leela, Ye Jawani, Chennai Express, some other movies.
All the movies. Coffee. Oh, Shanti, oh. And I have to see what is in Deepika's bag.
What will that be? There's a wallet. There are house keys. There's everyone makes fun of this, but there's like this emergency kit that I carry. It has sui dhaga, it has safety pins, it has buttons.
Sui dhaga and emergency kit. I would like to see this.
There's band-aids. There's some basic medicines that I carry.
Every day?
Yeah, the basic stuff.
Oh, wow.
For a headache, for some fever. So there's some basic medicines. There's a little miniature perfume. There's mints. There's Orbit in there. Some hair clips. Sunglasses. My Vogue sunglasses that I can show you. So yeah.
So she's not showing us, she's telling us everything that is there.
My famous chashmas, yeah.
Okay, let me take out what's in my bag because I can show you people what is in my bag.
There better be some goodies in there that you've carried for me, Garima.
Yes, I have. You're a star. You're a twinkling star.
Oh, how sweet.
So this is your heart because ishkyao dishkyao. Spending an entire day with Deepika. So Deepika, आज के क्या-क्या plans हैं?
We have some Ram Leela promotion. We also have a mall activity where we're going to go and meet some of my fans and people who are excited to watch Ram Leela.
Yay! So jam-packed day for Deepika. So keep watching Breakfast to Dinner, and we're gonna try and get some more fun elements from Deepika. अब जो हमारा शो है उसमें हम आपको तरह तरह के रस दिखाते हैं। अब क्योंकि दीपिका पादुकोण है और रस से भरी रामलीला वो खेल रही हैं, तो मैं उनकी पर्सनालिटी का आपको एक और रस दिखाती हूँ। शी इज़ अ ग्रेट होम मेकर और इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा इंडियन आउटफिट में आकर हम थोड़ा इंडियन बनकर रोटियां बनाएंगे। आई एम श्योर यू वांट टू सी दिस ना, सो just stay tuned, and now we're going to make some rotis with our Ram Leela star Deepika. मैंने देखा है कि वो बहुत अच्छी रोटियां बनाती है, तो she is going to be my coach.
Yeah, let's do it together.
Okay. And these are Aarti. She is the best person to learn household things. But Deepika knows everything about cooking. Now just see the woman in action. You make it round is a challenge, too.
No, I haven't made it round yet, so that's still a challenge for me.
Not bad. It is pretty round so far. एक particular point पे you should press, so it kind of goes circular.
So then, if you know why you making?
No, I've heard the trick. I haven't tried it ever. How often do you do this, Deepika?
Not often. See, you can see. This is my roti.
Wow, ये है Deepika की रोटी, which is pretty round. Are you proud of yourself?
Not bad. At least I can feed myself, no?
इसको कितनी बार यूज किया आपने? बहुत.
Bye. See, I remember the moment. You know, I'd rather do that than you know. I mean, I wish I had taken a picture of it. It was right here in one of these hoardings.
My God. This is your heart because ishkiyao.
Famous chashmas, yeah.
ये है Deepika की रोटी, which is pretty round. Are you proud of yourself?
Not bad. At least I can feed myself.
Your first poster hoarding which went up, and
It's so ironic that we're crossing this area right now because my first ever hoarding that I remember was for a juice that I was endorsing. It was whatever. It was like a one-off campaign that I had done for this juice company, and the hoarding was right here, up ahead on the left.
अच्छा Mahim area.
Yes.
Bandra
That was
Mahim.
the first time, and I remember at that time I didn't live in
Bombay.
I didn't live in Bombay.
हाँ.
But same that December time we had come here and we were driving from the airport towards town, and that's the first time I saw a big hoarding of mine up over here on the left.
And what happened then?
It was a nice feeling, and at that time, of
Did
course,
you like
we
get
didn't
off
have.
and take a lot of pictures?
No, at that time we didn't have
Acha, cell phone.
Yeah, cell phones were in, but this camera cell phone was not in. But I'm anyway someone. See, I remember the moment. You know, I'd rather do that than you know. I mean, I wish I had taken a picture of it. It was right here in one of these hoardings behind.
Oh wow! How cool is that? And now there's so many of them. So now it doesn't. Now those moments you don't like take in all. You just see a hoarding of Ram Leela and you're like, हाँ ठीक है चलो. Is it like that?
It feels nice. It's a bit surreal. It's not something that I take very seriously. You know, honestly, in fact, just yesterday I celebrated 6 years of me being in the industry, and time has really flown. You know.
You remember your first interview was with me?
Yes, I remember that.
Shanti Om.
I remember that.
And he was so different. I mean, he was like. You were still learning, you know, how to present how to give the right answer, quite cautious. But 6 साल हो गए Deepika, and this month November is something very special for you because it happened in November. Om Shanti Om also came in.
Yeah,
November.
9th of November. 9th of November the film released.
And again it's November, and the best part is us time Ram Leela, I mean us time it was Om Shanti Om sort of versus Savarya, and now it's you're working in Mr. Bhansali.
That's so true. That's so true. That now that you say it. It was at that time I didn't realize what all this the media was making this whole Farah Khan versus SLB and Sanjay versus Shah Rukh, and I couldn't understand because I was so new. To me it didn't matter. To me I was excited that I had a film that was releasing, but today when I look back, yeah, it's so ironic that 6 years later I'm debuting with that director. I mean, I'm working with that director.
Debuting.
working with Sanjay sir 6 years later.
दीपिका इस वक्त बिजी हैं, तो हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि दीपिका की जो कोर टीम है वो कितनी मेहनत करती है, खा पी के एकदम चुस्त रहती है। ये देखिए, वाह, हेलो। ये है मेरा। अब दीपिका जितनी सुंदर लगती हैं उसके पीछे राज, मतलब वो तो है ही खूबसूरत, लेकिन जो थोड़ा बहुत टचअप करना पड़ता है वो सब मेहरा करती है ना।
आपने सही बताया, मुझे कुछ काम नहीं करना पड़ता है, मैं बैठ के इधर मजे मारती हूँ। शी इज सो गॉर्जियस एंड लवली नेचुरली, सो आई डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग।
ये हैं दीपिका के बॉडीगार्ड, और मुझे पता है इनका नाम बड़ा पसंद है, जलालुद्दीन। आप फिर से बोलो स्टाइल में।
हाय, मेरा नाम जलालुद्दीन शेख है।
अरे वाह।
अकबर नहीं।
अकबर नहीं है, जलालुद्दीन शेख बिना शेक करते हुए दीपिका की बॉडी का गार्ड करते हैं ना।
यस।
और कितना आसान है, कितना मुश्किल है, इतने लोग लड़के टूट पड़ते होंगे।
बहुत ही मुश्किल है बॉडीगार्ड का काम करना।
एक और इंसान जिनके बिना दीपिका कहीं नहीं पहुंच सकती हैं, और वो है मिस्टर शानू। कैसे हैं शानू भाई?
बस अच्छा हूँ मैडम।
क्या बर्गर खा रहे हैं?
हाँ, भूख लगा तो खाना ही पड़ेगा।
दीदी का जो आप जब उनको लेके जाते हो, गाड़ी में घुमाने ले जाते हो, जब शूट्स पे ले जाते हो, तो कितना स्पीड पे आपको अलाउड है ड्राइव करना, और क्या गाना चलना चाहिए, कितना एसी होना चाहिए, सब बताऊँ।
अब जैसे अभी हम लोग को लेट हो रहा है तो हम भगाते गाड़ी, जैसे अगर हम टाइम पे है तो हम हिसाब से चलते हैं, क्योंकि बॉम्बे में ऐसे भी गाड़ी भगाने के लिए जगह है ही नहीं।
और अब दीपिका के साथ साथ ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं हमें उनके राम, मतलब कि रणवीर सिंह। जी हाँ, तो दीपिका और रणवीर के साथ खूब सारी मस्ती करने वाली हूँ मैं। तो आप देखते रहिए ब्रेकफास्ट टू डिनर।
Shimmy down.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
मैं रोमियो, तू जूलियट, ना समझ तू मुझको इडियट। अरे हाथ छुड़ाकर चली किधर?
रामलीला एंड अबाउट रोमियो एंड जूलियट। आपको लगता है कि आज के जमाने में रोमियो एंड जूलियट एग्जिस्ट?
I don't know if Romeo and Juliet exist, but space Rastafarians on LSD getting into politics definitely exist.
ये हमको कहाँ मिलेंगे ऐसे इंसान?
कहाँ ढूंढो?
I think you and me are right now Romeo and Juliet.
Again, you let go of your thing.
Oh, it's falling off
From space
from space.
on LSD.
Is this how you imagine your Romeo to look? Is this how Deepika's Romeo is supposed to look like?
Absolutely. The new age Romeo and the new age Juliet.
This is a new age Juliet.
Yeah.
Fear and loathing in Gujarat.
Okay. So anyway, can you all just tell our viewers वो जो puppet dance है जो होता है दशका अनुष्का में, इसको प्लीज बताइए।
Puppets dance.
Puppet or something like, I don't know, the doggy dance.
They're very agile.
First move कैसा है, कितने एंगल में बैठना है, कितने एंगल में हाथ उठना है, everything. It's a very technical dance.
It is. That's why you won't be able to do it.
Are you demanding that I teach you the step at gunpoint?
Oh yeah. Yes, I am.
Oh shit.
Step number
Really?
1.
Chest out,
Butt
out, chin up. Elegance. I want elegance. I want poise. And now we're going to do a shimmy and go down.
Wait, are we elegantly poised?
I am. I don't know
You are
about
hunched.
Oh, okay.
Don't make me smack you.
Okay.
Okay, chin
That's
up.
what she wants.
Chin up. Not that much. Chest out, man. Is the diya clutch too heavy?
No, it's not. It is where it should be.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I have to input this also in dark. Huh, sorry.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, just imagine the ghagra that
Chin
I have
up,
to
chest
carry.
out, butt out.
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, I'm done. I'm poised.
Shimmy.
Shimmy down.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
this.
3.
This 1, 2, 3, 4. How? Like
You got it, buddy. You got it.
Yeah.
chakki thi
You
to
got it.
Exactly.
I got it.
Yeah. And now the head, just go with it.
Okay, we've got that.
You're
ठीक
ready
है।
for
आप
Fear
लोगों
and
को
Loathing in
पसंद आया
Gujarat the
सबको?
musical.
हाँ, सबको आया। अब चलिए ऊपर उठाइए।
क्या?
The leg move.
क्या ऊपर उठाइए?
The leg.
The leg move.
हाँ. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh. Come in, go out.
Come in.
Come in,
Go out.
Left.
Kick.
Left. Left. Pelvic.
Oh, ये भी है।
Yeah.
And then dish me out.
No, no. You say
There's no dish cam. That's another song.
और भी है। हाँ।
Not
I.
हाँ।
No,
नहीं
not.
यार।
No.
Rap नहीं है।
ब्रुकलिन थोड़ी ना है.
हाँ, तो वदोदर।
रंजार है. मैं रोमियो, तू जूलियट, ना समझ तू मुझको इडियट. अरे हाथ छुड़ाकर चली किधर?